Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take a long screenshot on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, we want to make sure that there's something to scroll on. So, for example, I'll open up the browser. Now, this is, as you guys can see, I typed in little random letters. We got a ASFL. Now, let's take a screenshot by power and volume down button. Click them together and tap this icon right here. Now, as you guys can see, it's loading. And now, let's say we want it done because we reached the length limit. And now this is our screenshot, so we can have fun with it. We can even do something like this. And here we can save it. So now we got our long screenshot. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.